So with the Velo Studio bikes, it's really easy to do your maintenance. Everything is off the shelf available, standard stem, seat post, bottom bracket, cranks. So if you need any parts, your local bike shop should be able to get them very easily. With the bikes, personally and professionally, the easiest thing to do before a ride is an M check, where you start at the bottom, you work your way along in a big M shape. So start with the front, check your tire pressure, make sure you've got enough air in your tires, make sure your wheels on nice and tight, your brakes are working, check your headset's working properly. Then come down to your cranks and bottom bracket, make sure your cranks are spinning nice and smooth, your pedals are on tight, they're not wobbling around. Come up to your seat, give your seat a little shake, make sure that's on nice and tight. Check the air in your back tire, make sure you've got enough air in that. Give it a little wobble, make sure it's not loose. And then make sure your back brake's working. And check your shifting real quick. And you're good to go.